This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Prepare to fall in love. Country feel yet so near Cedar Road, schools, shops, and restaurants. Enjoy large lot, open floor plan, dining, family room with gas fireplace, stainless steel appliances, granite, wood floors throughout the first floor, custom cabinets, neutral paint colors, spacious primary bedroom with double sinks and jetted tub. Come see how amazing this home is. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.